Today we're taking a deep dive into some ancient wisdom, bringing you 3 foods mentioned in the Quran that have been shown to have remarkable impacts on our health and longevity. Now, first up, we've got olives and olive oil, which is rich in monounsaturated fats, packed with antioxidants and polyphenols. Mentioned in the Quran many times, it's got a real good ability to help balance cholesterol levels and help prevent cardiovascular disease. Oleic acid in particular is one of the key components in olive oil, which is shown to have beneficial health properties due to its anti-inflammatory effects in the body. And next up, we've got honey, which is not only a great tasting natural sweetener with a lower glycemic index than sugar, it's also packed full of enzymes, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. In particular, Manuka honey has been studied for its strong effects. And last up, we've got black seed oil, which is mentioned in the Quran as being a remedy for everything except death. And now we know that one of the powerful compounds it contains is thymoquinone. And thymoquinone is a powerful phytochemical with awesome anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which have been shown to have benefits against a range of conditions, including asthma, autoimmune disease, and even against cancer. I've had them in my diet for quite a while now, and more so notice the benefit when I don't have them there. Let me know how you get on with them. Remember, if you're going to try them out, make sure to get organic, cold pressed, and as unprocessed as you can do.